This is Marvin Gilig. Did you know that Misamis Oriental is part of Cebu Province during the Spanish period?
It was only in 1818 that Misamis was detached from Cebu to become a separate province. The old Misamis province was composed of Misamis Oriental and Occidental, part of Zamboanga del Norte, part of Cotabato, Lanao del Sur, Lanao del Norte, Camiguin, and Bukidnon. Until in 1827, the town of Cagayan de Misamis became the permanent capital of the province, which is known today as Cagayan de Oro City. In January 1930, Misamis was divided into two provinces, Misamis Oriental and Misamis Occidental. Today, Misamis Oriental comprises 23 municipalities and two component cities, which organized into two legislative districts and further subdivided into 424 barangays. Provincial capital, Cagayan de Oro is a highly urbanized city that administered independently from the province.
And that's 60 seconds. This is Marvin Gilig. See you next week.